Hey guys, welcome to the channel UGC Press for final year exam by September end of September. So UGC has a decision on 10th August regarding the examination and all. So is UGC express for professional exam by end of the September end. So the first point is regarding the UGC have orally made a submission in the Supreme Court on Friday regarding the preparation of final year exam should not be broken by the end of the September. It should be conducted. Means the final year students and all students should prepare for their exam. They should not stop. They should be continuing their syllabus and revising and making their subject clear. So through a UGC affidavit filed on 31st said that exams were scheduled by the end of the September 2020 to give varieties sufficient time to take arrangement aimed the pandemic. The same Yes, regarding the same pandemic affidavit also goes to inform the court that inform received from 818 University shows that 603 varieties have conducted their final year exam or were in the process of conducting exam during August-September 2020. So the 818 universities show that 603 varieties had conducted final year exams, and it was during the period of August and September 2020. So on a Friday, this it is regarding on Friday. So Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for UGC by means of abundant caution, said, Let nobody be under the impression that final exam will be stayed because Supreme Court is hearing the case. Students should continue to prepare for their exams. The Supreme Court is taking the decision, said is Tushar Mehta, General Solicitor, said that the Supreme Court is taking decision. Students must prepare for their exams. It is necessary for every student to be what they are preparing for their exams, because the knowledge is important, not exams. The submission was made during a hearing before a bench led by Justice M.A.K. Hitawar. So A.M. Khanivikar led a submission during. So as continuing, the commission strongly advocated the conduct of final year exam by September 30 in compliance with July 6 guideline while keeping in mind the safety and health of the students. The commission was advocating, they are trying that the final year exams would be conducted by September 30 with the July 6 guidelines that were made by the commission. So the hearing is based on a bunch of petitions filed by over 30 students challenging the conditions aimed the COVID-19 pandemic. The 30 students have challenged a petition for their conduct of examinations to UGC. So as regard to direct to government, the court ordered Maharashtra and NCT Delhi government to submit reports on ground situation in the fight against COVID-19 from respective state disaster management committee within a week. It is posted the safe for August 10th for future orders after examining the reports. So after 10th August. So after that, in response to the students, the petition, the UGC final year terminal semester exam is a crucial step in the academic career of the student. It said the UGC guidelines COVID-19 was revised on 6 July with Professor K.C. Kudak expert committee. So the guidelines was revised on 6 July for the examinations by K.C. Kudak expert committee. So as now the revised guidelines allow students to opt offline on mode of taking exam online exclusively blended manner in which student can alter between online and physical modes of attending the class committees set. Besides, it noted university could be conduct special examination for student later as when feasible so that a student is not to put any inconvenience or disadvantage. The commission said quote allow have a limited role in farming policy on academic issues. So the further they tell that the examination would be conducted offline or online as per their previous guidelines, and they are hearing that decision. So here's some of this UGC for September and they are conducting. So if you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. So I will try to reply you and clear your all doubts. So if you got any information regarding, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification. Thank you for watching.